Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg, wheelchair accessible VW Caddy Maxi with an allied conversion. Done just 40,000 miles from new, direct from Motability, and as you will see, the car's in grade A condition. 5-speed manual version. We also have automatics in stock if you're looking for an automatic. We try and keep a variety of colours and mileages. Obviously that alters the price, etc. With the allied conversion, it's a 5-seat plus wheelchair, but also can be used with a 7-seat option just by adding the third row seats in the back. You won't be able to use the wheelchair when those third row seats are in. The ramp into deployed position. And this is the fold flat ramp version, as is with most of the allied conversions, probably 99% of them. I don't think I've seen a Caddy without the fold flat, but I would never rule it out. There you go. Plenty of floor space there for your scooters and your wheelchairs. 4-point fixing for the wheelchair or scooter. Rear parking sensors on there as well. Finished in reflex silver. I think the initial, official colour of the vehicle. Caddy Maxi, suitable for both taxi drivers and private mobility users. If you are a taxi driver, we can help you with taxi sign and meters and talking to your council, etc. Private users, we'll do home visits for you if you're unable to get to us, so there's no problem there. This comes with a stage 2 plate on it, taxi driver information just there, so we can get that over to your council. Sell quite a lot of these, very popular. If you're looking for finance, we can do finance. Normally have an answer back within a few minutes. We can even send you over a quick quote through Motonopo Finance. We have in the past had someone come in, do an application and drove away in their car within half an hour, so it is possible. Not always, but generally is possible, so if you do want a car that quickly. Also part exchange, we can offer you part exchange. Doesn't have to be wheelchair adapted, we can do any vehicle. We'll always get the best money for you, because we don't retail the car, so we're not looking at a profit on your vehicle. All we're looking is to maximise your amount that you get for your car. If you're interested in this or any of our other wheelchair adapted vehicles, or WABs as they're known, give us a call on 01634 716 911, or you can visit the website www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, and taxi drivers, you can visit our online stock page just by changing the web address to www.premiertaxisales.com. Thanks for watching.